Yo, YouTube, what is good? I'm back, got the truck back, no more rental car, thank the Lord. I just hate driving around so close to the ground. But anyways, it's not very nice out today, but it's nicer than it's been all week. It's like 41 degrees. Sunday, December 15th, a couple weeks before Christmas. I love Christmas, so I'm excited. This is always a fun time of year. Let's see, next Friday, this coming Friday, actually, we've got a Christmas party, you know, Christmas work party, whatever. Anyways, we're gonna get together at my boss's, and it's gonna be my first year attending, but I hear it's a really fun time. They get like little gifts for us and have a couple drinks, you know, the whole deal. Anyways, I don't know, I can't decide if I'm gonna bring the dog today and just leave him in the car and make my trips quick, or if I'm going to leave him at home and just take my time in Home Depot. Usually it's better for me if I bring him, because that means my trips are quicker and I'm not in there spending all my money. So anyways, we'll see what we do, but I'm gonna head to Home Depot and then I'm gonna put all my tools that are in this garage into the new van that we just got from the new company in that garage. So let's get to it. But anyways, today's video is going to be side discharge condensers. We're doing a lot of them on just main, like, what am I saying? I'm not retaking this either, so. All right, I said I wasn't retaking that, but here I am retaking that because I sounded pretty stupid. But we're putting side discharge condensers. Normally you use them on mini splits on residential split systems, okay? You can do that now. You've actually always been able to do that, but you used to have a control box that you'd have to wire in, but now there's a board out in the side discharge condenser, and you don't have to have that control box, which that is just amazing for us installers and probably even service techs too, because adding that control box and all that extra wiring was just a mess. But now all you have to do is send at least 6 wire out to your condenser, and it works just like a heat pump. It's just a side discharge. You get the inverter systems, you get the heat pump aspect on top of air conditioning. It's just a lot better, and it's not very expensive. It's pretty cost effective. I don't know the exact numbers, but I do know that people are buying them like crazy. So here's a couple installs of them. Check this out.
God damn it, I forgot my fucking belt.
Hey man, watch your mouth. Fucking duck. Flathead screws, by the way.
Look at that, I didn't notice that. Yeah.
Wow,
That's legit.
quality electrician shit right there.
Yeah, you just make 2 o'clock.
Yep, he's already got us locked in for 2 o'clock. You should have heat, he says.
Really?
Oh, you had to order your transition? You don't know how to build it, little buddy? You can't build a transition, little Mike? It's a jungle back here. We're gonna run new lines in it. And just put the condenser right here. Instead of all the way down the house, about 20 feet. We put some clean 90s on it. Put a sleeve on it. And we got it loose. Got the line set loose. The high voltage loose. Just gonna turn it all this way. Put it right here. Big boy. I'm not lifting that thing by myself. That's gonna stay right there. I'll grab my tools, go inside, see what Evan's got done. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. condensate pump. Knock something over with the outlet. We'll have to put the coil drain in there. We need to zip tie this stuff before we go, but we're also coming back Friday, so it'll be fine. Make sure this is on the right, or you're to the left. This needs to be pushed over like that. All right, I gotta find something to stand on over here. Okay, I guess this is how their intake was. To get it away from the exhaust. I have no idea, but I might cut it down and put it back. It looks pretty ugly the way it is, but I'm focused on this line set. Come down right under it and angle right at it, so. Got an air handler, condenser outside, but we're not doing the condenser today. So just a simple air handler. We're gonna try and face it this way. Since it's flex, it can all move. I'm still thawing out. I'm not gonna lie, it's freezing. It's like 8 degrees outside. Got the drain pan under it. So, should be a pretty simple one. We'll see how it goes. Jesus. Right off the bat, this fucker's welded in there. All burnt up. Probably have loose terminal connections. But we'll just replace the disconnect. You got the power shut off already. Man, look at that. No wonder it wasn't coming off. Oh well. They didn't bother to put the door on. Alright, let's take this off. Okay. She's pretty much loose. Evan's outside. Pump it down the unit, and then we'll carefully cut that line set. Set it off to the side. We're going to reuse it, so. I guess I'm still on the maps. Hold on. $9:40 right now. Sniffly nose, cold outside. I gotta go outside and get some PVC cutters. I didn't bring them in. Cut that right there. Cut the line set. Take this thing out. Still can't get over this. That's what happens when you have loose or poor connections at the terminals. It can cause a fire. No bueno. Got that cut. Last thing is the line set. Got the setup too. Got the heater in the trailer. There's our air handler. Here's our side discharge condenser that we're putting on. And we got the heater heating it up. It's actually pretty warm in here. So I think I might take a little break time since we're way ahead of schedule. Yeah, anyways, I think it's pretty cool. We got a bunch of fittings, sheet metal, little table. I'm liking it. PVC up here, some wire right there, which we're probably gonna need. There's our pad. Got everything in here. Some insulation since we're in an attic. Sure. I'll be honest, boys, it says you can horizontal right convert this. It's just not happening. We tried to do the right thing and flip it around towards us, but it's just not happening. There's a support bracket you're supposed to take off, it says, and it's not coming off. And at this point, look at the snow outside, okay? We gotta get some heat going. We're just putting this thing in. I'm gonna read up a little bit more on this, but I doubt we're turning this thing around. So just get over it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. I don't care. What a beautiful day. I'm gonna turn the heater off. Yeah, it's coming down. Oh, man. Okay, we are back. Yeah, you're wondering why didn't you face it this way, Dylan? I tried. I did try, I promise you. I'm pretty sure I already explained that though, so there is enough room to get the blower motor out and the coil. If you really needed to, you could just push the whole unit. It's sitting on bricks, which they screwed the drain pan and then siliconed over the screw holes. So I'm not moving that. If you really need to, you can slide the unit this way. Have plenty of room over there, so. Today we just gotta work on the line set, inside and outside. Other than that, couple spots we gotta seal on the plenum here. And then we gotta insulate that patch right there for the filter return. Brought the whip inside so it'll warm up. It's absolutely frozen. I should have shown you the progress outside, but who cares, honestly. It's starting to look like a condenser though. Okay, I still gotta glue that drain. Today's been a little bit of a learning curve, learning process for me, but I think I got it. This configuration, I've got it down now. We got it heating. We just do that and then we're out of here. And close this. We gotta take this downstairs still, actually. Booyah. I guess I'll put this paper with the other papers. Okay, we're out of here. Oh, yeah. Not yet, actually. Just about. It's a big boy. Every time. Perfect day if you're a penguin. If you're a fucking penguin. Yes, sir. Little update for you. I'm back at the house. Breaker was not big enough. We're putting a 40 amp on her. That's what it wants. That's what it needs. It was tripping. So let's put this bad boy in. And I put all 6 screws back in, just saying. Didn't cheap out, didn't go lazy. So I'm just getting some stuff that I need. Big ass crescent that I've been missing, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, okay, let's get some pack out stuff. I just realized I have every fucking thing right here. I have all this, and I don't need more. Walk away, Dylan. Walk away. Maybe a cup. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I was just talking to my phone and it wasn't even recording for like at least a minute. But anyways, that does it for the video. I did not end up bringing my dog. I just stopped at the gym, spontaneous gym session, whatever. Bought a little C4. It's not normally what I use for my pre-workout, but that's what we're gonna use for today. Yeah, spoiled myself a little bit at Home Depot. Gotta go home and get the tools on the van and get ready for the work week. So if you guys liked it, make sure you hit the like button. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, but you have not subscribed yet, does it make any sense to you? Because it's not making sense to me. All right, guys, until the next one. I don't even think I said this on the last video. Man, I haven't been making videos for a while, so I'm kind of out of touch. But your friendly neighborhood HVAC vlogger. Until the next one, peace out.